Assalamualaikum.
Merhaba,
Khush Ahmedid.
hoş geldiniz.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mia
Bibi
or
TV.
Guys, welcome to our another YouTube video, a small one, but this is something different. It's not a drama
Yeah,
review.
it is
So
different.
just letting you know at the outset, this is not a drama review. This is actually
Yes.
about a little bit about the segment that we do on our drama reviews, word
Just,
of the day,
Word of today.
where Adam teaches you a translation for an Urdu word that we pick from one of the dramas that
Yes.
we watch for that video. So today we will be discussing, and this is a matter of dispute between us. You have to help settle this. So there are a lot of similar words in Turkish and in Urdu, but they are pronounced differently. And whenever I say that word, naturally Urdu comes to me. I say it in my Urdu way, but Adam refuses to understand it. He always corrects me and it makes me so angry. I am saying that you understood it now, so why do you need to correct me? Because if it's a Turkish word, okay, I will say it the proper way. I'll try my best. But if it's a word that is common between the two languages, let me say it my way and just understand it. he's like, why is she so passionate about this? He also has the same reaction. We will show you in a moment. So as I'm sure many of you love kebab, meat, kofte, you know,
Köfte.
see what I mean? Okay, so you know, I love kofte, and the word is kofte. My amma makes amazing kofte, kofte, ande ka salan, aloo ka salan. I love. So in Turkish, they say kofte to mostly what we say to kebab. You guys call them kofte.
Köfte.
Again. So, okay, let's tell them. So, the word in Urdu is kofte, and
Yes.
in Turkish,
Köfte.
did you hear any difference?
Köfte.
Now I know what he means. Like I've been in Ankara in Turkey for a long time to be able to tell the difference. But is it really different? Is it
It's
difficult to understand if I say, oh, I'm really craving kofte today and not köfte?
No, it's fine, but just it's köfte.
This guy refuses to budge. Okay, köfte. Am I saying it right?
Yes.
Köfte.
Köfte. True. Right.
Kofte.
No.
Okay, you say kofte.
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 Okay, I mean, so kofte, if we would spell it in Urdu, in English, kofte, we would say Kofte, kofte. I
Yes.
almost just said it the Turkish
Yeah,
way. See
look.
what he did to me. But in Turkish, you spell it K-O with the dot,
Yes.
right?
That's on the top.
And that sound of O with the dots is very different from the English O. So yeah, say
Ö. Ö. Yes.
In English, we say O. You say
Ö.
So that is the whole difference, and they have a lot of alphabets like that. I think in the future videos we can like make more videos about
Actually,
that.
in the last video we talked about G with the silent we said. Yumuşak G we said. Yumuşak
No,
G is
yağmur.
like yes, yağmur.
Huh,
And
yumuşak
G-
G, okay.
Yes, yumuşak G is soft G.
G, yeah.
It means.
A few moments later.
But it's not exactly soft G, it's a silent G.
Yes, but like we say yağmur, kind of like, for example, when we say G, it's like, for example, if it was the Y-A-M-U-R, it was gonna be like yağmur. But we say yağmur. It's a little long also.
Yağmur.
It's a little long.
So, okay, so we settled this debate.
Yes.
Actually, we didn't settle. He still insists that every time I say kofte, I say köfte and not kofte.
But you said.
Do you guys hear a difference? Please tell. Köfte, kofte. I wanted to emphasize in the mic. Okay, now I have been trying to tell him that these words are extremely different sounding. One is a shoe in Urdu and one is a liar in Urdu. So you know, liar is jhoota and a shoe is joota. Now add them.
Shoe is juta.
Joota.
Juta.
Not tha, ta.
Juta.
Yes, better.
Juta.
Joota.
Da.
Ta.
Ta. Juta.
Ta.
Ta.
Yes. And
The
the
other one is with H.
yes.
Juta.
Jhoota.
Juta.
A few moments later.
So what happens with Erdem is if he is saying jhoota, he either misses out the H in the beginning
Yeah.
or the H in the end. So it is jhoota.
Jhuta.
Jhoota.
Okay, it's just hard.
Say the
It's
t
hard.
sound.
T- t-
So again, say like I like your juta.
Juta.
I like your juta.
Juta. I like your juta.
Again,
I like your juta.
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 Okay, good enough, I think. I'll give you a pass on this. And you are a jhoota.
You are a juta.
Again,
You are a juta.
jhoota.
Juta.
Jhu.
Ta. Ju.
It's J8. Jhu.
Yes. Ju.
Ta.
Ta.
Now do you understand the difference?
No, I understood. Which one is with H? The other one is also with the. You are saying not ta, not da. It's like ta, kind of a little
Yeah.
bit different. Yes, I understand.
So I guess that's all. Please tell us if am I being crazy? Is this almost the
Yes.
same? Should he not understand when I say
this
kofte?
actually video is nice for we can say for our audience. You can tell us some words, then I can try to spell it. Like I can try to
Yes.
say.
Yes.
So which words do you want me to say? I can
it
try
will
to
be
say.
fun.
Yeah, it will be
Because-
fun because sometimes I struggle to say some words in Urdu, of course. And some words are very close to Turkish, by the way, Urdu words. We also have some Arabic words like or Urdu, like some words are similar.
Or Farsi.
Farsi, but some words are really hard to say because we don't have some special like alphabets in our
Sounds, basically.
sounds.
Because
So because of that,
Urdu has actually, I will tell, we can tell you in the comments or something.
Yeah.
Urdu has many more alphabets than Turkish actually. So Turkish has less, but Turkish has more unique alphabets also that we
Yeah.
don't have. Like the O is like that.
we
like,
have U, Ü,
Ü.
we have U is U, and U with
With
the
the dots.
dots also Ü, like U, Ü, O, Ö. Like it's the
then-
sound is different. Yeah.
And then we have an alphabet that is very difficult to pronounce, which is the Re alphabet.
Ha, re, re,
Re.
re,
Re.
re. It's hard. It's hard. I accept.
Gadi.
Gardi,
Yeah, car. Gadi.
Gardi.
So guys, tell us what more.
Which verse?
Maybe you can
Yeah.
give a whole sentence and Erdem has to say that whole
Oh,
sentence.
whole sentence. Okay.
Yeah, it will be a
It
challenge.
can be a challenge. Yeah.
Yeah, Erdem is ready for challenges.
Am I? Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, so here we are signing off. I hope you enjoyed this little
Yes.
video from us. So we thought outdoors can be nice also,
Yeah.
right? So, Khuda Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Bye
Allah
bye.
Hafiz. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Like,
Share.
subscribe.
Ah, this is so girly.
No, it isn't.